Introduction to APIs.
APIs, or Application Programming Interfaces, are tools that let different software programs talk to each other. Whether you're using a weather app or sending a message on your phone, APIs work behind the scenes to connect services, share data, and make life easier. Understanding APIs is the first step toward automating tasks and improving productivity in many digital workflows.
How APIs work.
Imagine APIs as messengers that deliver requests and responses between programs. For example, if your calendar app needs weather data, it sends a request through an API. The weather service receives it, sends back information, and your calendar displays the forecast. This seamless exchange helps different tools work together, even if they're built by different companies.
Benefits of API integration.
By connecting various applications through APIs, you can automate routine tasks and streamline complex processes. Instead of copying data by hand or switching between programs, API integrations do the heavy lifting. This boosts efficiency, reduces errors, and frees up time for more important work, making APIs valuable for individuals and businesses alike.
Popular API use cases.
APIs power many features you use every day, syncing contacts between devices, processing online payments, or sharing social media posts across different platforms. Businesses use APIs to connect databases, manage customer information, and automate marketing. No matter the industry, API integration can save time and unlock new capabilities.
Getting started with APIs.
You don't need to be a coding expert to start using APIs. Many tools offer user-friendly interfaces for connecting different services. Platforms like Zapier, IFTTT, and Microsoft Power Automate enable you to set up automated workflows with just a few clicks. As you explore APIs, you'll discover more ways to boost productivity and simplify your digital life.